Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can create a shortcut for your favorite websites on Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me open Edge in a new tab and you will see these shortcuts here just below the search bar on your home screen of Edge. Of course, you can customize these shortcuts. You can click into them or into these three dots here and either remove them, rename them, and so on and so forth. But there's also the option to add more shortcuts here to add a site. So what you will need to do is click into this button, and here you'll need to enter the name of the website and the URL. So navigate to the website you would like to add. I'm going to go with, GitHub for the sake of this tutorial. Highlight the URL, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C if you're using a Mac. Return to your home page here on home screen on Edge. Enter the name here and the URL there. Confirm by clicking into add. And that's how it works. That's the shortcut here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it. And we'll see you next time on our channel.